Hi everyone, Kathy Maxon, Craft Creations by Kathy. Today we're going to do a patriotic wreath using 21-inch mesh. I got some blue and then I got the red and white stripe. We're going to do, it's called a ruffle poof, I believe is what it's called. DIY with Nadia is where I saw this method at. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to need 12 pipe cleaners. 12? Yeah. So I want to do, I believe, 4 of the red and the white and 2 of the blues. We're going to cut them 30 inches long. So right now I just have my board, my mat board turned up to the 18-inch side. So kind of what I'm going to do is kind of like they do for fabric. I'm just going to kind of pinch here at the 15 and move it this way. Kind of like you see when they cut fabric at the store. And then we're going to cut this at the 15. So 30 inches. You can use your wood burning tool. I'm just going to use the Rotary Cutter. And I already have another piece of the blue. I'm thinking that's all I need of the blue. We're just going to try this out, like I said. So we're going to be like at the 15, and I'm just going to slide it over to the beginning and cut at the 15. So we're doing 30 inches. Because I was off the table. Oh, this is my new table. It goes up and down. See, look, I don't know if you, goes down and then up. So like I can stand at it. So that's my cool table that I got for Christmas. All these items I'm using lately that were my Christmas gifts. I've been cleaning up the basement. So my husband can put up some walls so we can kind of get an idea of what the craft room is going to look like. I'm trying to think of where I have my pipe cleaners. I should have brought some blue down. We'll do some white. So we're going to do on the inside, I'm going to do it, I don't think we need this anymore, do we? We're going to do inside 1 and 2. I'm just going to twist it around, both those, and lay those that way. And I think she did the same here. 3 and 4. And then we'll just pull those that way. So go all the way around your wreath form, and then we will be back to put the mesh in. Okay, so I got white ones on, and I'm going to use the black for when we do the blue. I didn't have any blue pipe cleaners. So again, we're going to put 6 in the middle, 6 on the outside. We're doing them all at the crossbar. I think I need this mat again. I'm going to try it. Let's see if we see better this way. Can we see better this way? Okay, so I'm going to put my wreath form over here. Get yourself some pipe cleaners, clothespins or clips. What we're going to do, we're going to ruffle up each side, and we're going to have a poof in the middle. So we want it about 5 inches. So I'm going to go back 5 to over here to the 10. So I'm going to do it like right here at the edge of this red. So I'm just kind of curl it under a little bit, and then you're just going to ruffle all the way to the other side. And there's a lot to ruffle, and then it curls up like that. Oops, I'm not paying attention. I looked at my screen to make sure I was in the view, and then I'm going to try to roll that under there. So I'm going to clip this. Please stay. Come on. This doesn't look like a good... Okay, so there's our little ruffle on that end. We're going to do the same on this end. We're going to go up about 5 inches. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to do the edge of this red. Kind of flip that under. Okay, so now we have this edge. I could just go put this in. So I'm going to put this on the inside. The inside pipe cleaner. And I pull it tight, crisscross. And for now, I'm just going to tuck it back here. So then we can come over here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the outside, the next outside. Pull it tight, twirl it a bunch of times. And we're going to tuck it under, just for now. And then what you can do is come in and you kind of tuck those ends in, and it's going to poof. So then I have one already kind of clipped here, made. So then what we're going to do is we want to go back to the inside one, which is going to be right above the one we just did. So inside, pull it tight, crisscross, and twist a bunch of times. And for now I'm tucking it down. So then from there we were on the inside. Now I'm going to come to this outside. Tuck it under. And then you can come back and fluff it all up. So I'm going to do 2 more of the red and white, and then I'll come back and we'll tie in the blue and we'll see how that looks. Okay, let's do this again. So we got 2 blues. So this is a nice method to use if you just have like a partial roll of your 21-inch left. Because what are we going to use? Like six pieces at 30 inches. So we're going to do the 5-inch. So we're going to tuck it under a little. And we're just going to ruffle it up. And there's Miss Lily. It's harder to lose track on the blue where you're going. Come on, just a little bit more. end in. And Deco Mesh phrase sticks to everything. Oops, I didn't get that clip very good. Still not clipped very good. And then we're going to ruffle up this end 5 inches. Now this one is going to go back here. Remember I did the black. Twist it a bunch of times. Tuck it under. And this edge is kind of coming undone. You want to stick it down here on the bottom. It looks like I didn't have that very tight because it's moving around. Under for now. If you have any of these loose strings, they don't fall off, just cut them off, because otherwise you could snag your whole wreath. Okay, and then maybe it goes this way. And then here's when you poof it. You can wait to the end to poof them all. And then I have one already made. So I'll do this one here. This one feels like, looks like it's got way more than 5 inches on this end. So let's see if I can lower this down a little to get it in the picture. Then that's going to be our Patriotic Wreath. I did find some wood stars. I got some that I painted. So we'll stick some stars over here in the blue. I didn't know how many I needed, so I have some over there painted white. I will get my pipe cleaners tucked in, and I'll get a picture. But this is it, 21 inch. This is a good wreath to a good wreath base. You could decorate it with a sign, anything else. But this is kind of full. 21-inch mesh. Ruffle up 5 inches on each side, and you poof in the middle. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.